So what's new for Malta in 2026? We've done several films on Malta in the past and they're on our playlist. Let's give you something different for this year, 2026, Eat Out in Malta. I don't know if you can see that, that's Fontanella Tea Gardens with the view. And that's Salima and Valletta right in the distance. And we're in the old city of Mdina. And Janet's getting the drinks in because we're hot and thirsty.
I have got a Maltese Falcon Negroni cocktail.
Local beer. And a local shandy.
And a local shandy. There it is. Fontanella. So we ordered carrot cake and it is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Really, really nice.
Really nice.
Yeah. Nice carrot cake, nice Negroni, and a table with view.
So Mdina, all these beautiful little side streets.
First night out and look, the bar, oh my god, still in heads, and we've ordered
Well, it's a pasta with broccoli and sausage.
Oh wow, and I'm having a pizza.
And we're going to share.
We're going to share.
With the local Sicilian wines.
Food's arrived, the pizza is absolutely stunning. And that is a pasta, not quite sure about everything,
broccoli,
but it's...
green broccoli, Italian sausage and squid ink.
Oh, the squid ink is on the side, so they said don't touch it. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'll go there.
I've never had anything like this in my life. It's just nice to have something completely different.
In a good way?
Yeah, no, I'm very positive about it.
Pizza is amazing as well. Now we've got the boys there doing the pizza. Really good. Anyway, it's tiramisu.
Show yours
With,
first.
oh yeah, mine is the traditional. Yeah.
And I've got tiramisu with pistachios, which you recommended.
Looks
Really
good.
strong red wine.
Hey.
Very gentle, actually.
Oh, good.
Arrived. We've got the rabbit in. What's the rabbit in?
It's pulled rabbit.
Oh, it's pulled rabbit in a pasta. And then we've got 3 slices of swordfish because there's 3
Of us.
diners. We had the rabbit tagliatelle of the main
Pulled rabbit.
Pulled rabbit.
Tagliatelle, and I thought that was amazing.
Yeah, I
Really good.
concur with that. It's one of the best pasta dishes I've had in a very long time.
Yeah.
What was your opinion of that last pasta dish we just had?
Really nice, tasty for a rabbit pasta. The swordfish I thought was very strong fish.
Yeah.
Not really my. I like to fish, but there are,
But the pasta?
Yes, that was amazing. Yeah.
There we are. Positive.
Yeah.
Thank you. So for reference, the Gambit Bistro. Really small and cushy in there. Fantastic cuisine.
Well, we're in Cafe Jubilee, and I've gone for the Negroni, Janet's on the wine, but they've just, they're still doing it now, they're actually shaking Terry's Bond martini. It's shaken, not stirred. There we go.
Martini, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we're in Iber Co and looking at the menu. But we started off with the prawn pilpil. Nice, John, isn't it? Really nice, and obviously the vermouth to go with it. Okay, they've arrived. John's favourite.
We have a plethora of white wines to go with it.
Yeah, we've got a Vallejo, an Albarino, and he's having a cava. And there you go. Yeah? So the pork cheek has arrived. Looks really good.
When we make our travel films, I love to give a perfect 10. This next bit of footage might surprise you because we've left the best to last. Watch and tell me what you think. So from Valletta itself, we went to Upper Bracker Gardens and took the €1 lift down to the harbour. You then got the choice of the public ferry or the little boats, but there's only €3 each, and this is a hell of a fantastic adventure. Just coming into the harbour, we're going to curve to the left by these towers. These little boats are €3 each, these water ferries. Maximum of 6 on the water ferry, otherwise you sink. Now we're curving into the left. Whee! We're going in there. And that's our stop.
Leaving Iber Co. Here we go.
Then when you reach 3 cities by boat, you have a choice. This is really set up for lunch, this place. One side of the harbour is in total shade, which is great in the midday sun, or you can elect to sit in the full sun on the other side. Either way, there's loads of places to eat. We've come over on the little ferry, €3 each on the little boat, over to 3 cities, and rather than hug the harbour, we've gone slightly around the back streets, and this is notorious apparently for having more churches.
Sitting on the harbour, waiting for us.
Excited. Aren't we, John? We're excited. Yeah. And the wine is lovely. So the food has arrived. We've had, on recommendation, from the waiter, and he said to have, we were going to have the vongole, but he said, no, have the mixed one. And this one is a special Maltese one, and it's got Maltese sausage.
And mushrooms.
And mushrooms. So, yeah.
So I've got the red wine for this and the white wine for that one. So there's the view. But anyway, we took the little ferry in and we walked right to the very, very last bar, as you do, as restaurant. This one's called Cargo. They all look the same. The girls are sitting there and had the pasta, and we've absolutely maxed out on scores. So we're going to stay and have another round of wine. You can have glasses there, fresh glasses, and have the dessert to make sure the scores are continuous. And don't forget, we score on meat and greet, then cleanliness, then the quality of the food and drink, then I look at the overall dining experience and value for money. So far, this place Cargo has maxed out on every score. There's nothing I can find wrong with this place. Really, really, really enjoying this, and this may be my ultimate go-to place for Malta for 2026. So, to follow through, Janet's got the, what have you got, Jan?
Chocolate fondant with ice cream.
Lemon?
Banoffee.
Banoffee pie, and I've gone for the traditional apple and walnut sponge with vanilla ice cream. Oh, and another red wine. And the girls are having white wine, and we have the full sun on the harbour. This is beautiful. Yes, it's still €3 each. It's not bad, you know.
I know. That's the one going to Gozo. And here they are coming in from 3 cities. Wow.
So we're back in Valletta. Nearer the harbour this time, or the wall I should say.
Rocket